To start your clothing line, all you will need to get started is this. What is DTF printing? Well, we all know what DTG is, and if you don't know what DTG printing is, it's direct to garment. DTF printing is the same process, but it's direct to film. And since it's the same process as direct to garment, you still get the same quality of direct to garment printing. Hence this shirt right here. Now, since I've already taken the major investment to buy all the equipment, you don't really need to know these parts or these steps, but I'm gonna show you anyways. Step one on my end, you send me your image and we can get the thing going. Step two, we print the image. It's gonna be color first and then white layer second. With the white layer, you can put it on any other color garment that you choose. Now that that's done, you now take your ink image and you apply DTF powder, which will now make it a solid. Apply the powder. Now, take off the extra powder. You have an image that's ready to be cooked. I take my image and place it in my press. Close the top. Now, after about a good 3 minutes, it'll be nice and clean, crisp, and ready to go into a shirt. Okay, now that that's done, you will have a high quality image onto a film ready to be pressed on whatever you choose to be pressed on. And when I say literally anything, a wall. Now, here's your part. For demonstrating purposes, I'm going to take a sweatsuit. I'm going to make a sweatsuit. So if you're a clothing line and you're looking to expand your stuff, and all you do is vinyl, or you have to order in bulk, it's cutting it up. Now, the good thing about having simply film and images is you eliminate all the excessive garments. I know one thing when it comes to bulk, you're not gonna sell every shirt. Let's be realistic. You're not gonna sell every shirt. Somebody gonna want a different size, somebody gonna want a different color, and in that case, it's gonna lose the sale because they wanted that color or they gonna whatever. So with having just merely images, you're now leaving yourself available to take order as you get orders, so you don't have to have a bunch of bulk. Then you can also switch it up as you go and give yourself a lot more options. The focus is to keep the power in your hands, keep the money in your pocket. If all you have to do is get your images and press your image on the garment as you get an order, you eliminate having an excessive amount of bulk inventory. You eliminate the excessive amount of sizes that you might not need and colors that you might not want and change over time. Now I'm gonna walk you through your steps. If you've been familiar with vinyl, we all know 320, 15-second press, medium heat. And if you don't know what that is, 320 degrees on your press, 15 seconds, the press is down, medium pressure. Now you place your garment onto your heat press. You take your image, you place your image where you would like to place it at on your garment. It's placed, you slide your press back. If you're fancy like me, take you some wax paper or any type of protection layer, just because sometimes the static electricity might pull your film up after you get done pressing it, and you don't want that. Pull that down, 320, 15 seconds. Now I usually keep it on 20 seconds. I don't fill it for the whole 20 seconds, but I give myself that extra 5-second window. Okay, so this is a hot peel, but you don't peel it right away. I usually take something to rub off the heat a little bit. If you peel it too fast, you might peel up some of the edges. It's warm to the touch. You can tell if it's gonna peel up by the corner. Now what I do, just to make sure everything is good and how I want it, and there's no peeling up spots, I take my wax paper one more time, throw it right on top like him. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now after you second press it, you have a high quality image straight from the film. So when I say it's a must, all you have to do is buy a heat press. You can get them on Amazon for $100. You get a heat press, and you can start your clothing line from home.